Yes, my tap dancing, my grandma was so proud of me. She said, "Oh, Shirley Temple should look so good." And she would carry my tap dancing music around in her purse everywhere we went. And if we were at an event, on a weekend or something, and there was an orchestra or a band, she would go up to the piano player, tap him on the shoulder, and pull out my tap dancing music and set it in front of him on the piano. And she says, "This is the music my granddaughter needs to dance when you have your first intermission." She would just tell him. She didn't ask.
And you would go up and dance?
And tap dance to the music he played, yeah. Yeah, I was embarrassed so much.